Welcome back to Handmade. I'm AV, and today we are going up, up, and away into the clouds. They're having a moment, aren't they? I mean, there are cloud mirrors, cloud ceilings, but today we are doing a cloud lamp. It is super inexpensive and easy to do. Let's get started. All you need for this project is a paper lantern, which is super inexpensive, polyfill fiber, and hot glue. So first, you're going to assemble your paper lantern. There are rings right here at the top of your paper lantern. That's how you know it's the top. So you just go in and you stretch it. And pow, paper lantern. You take a nice chunk, right? Because when you're making clouds, clouds are unpredictable. One day it's sunny, the next day it's raining. We're gonna do an in-between, you know, a rainy cloud, a sunny, rainy cloud. Take your hot glue, and I like to work my way from the bottom to the top. And you just stick some on, just like that. You can break it off a little bit. You can put your hand in the bottom or the top, depending on where you are, and just gently press the poly fiber onto your paper lantern. Right? And we're gonna just keep moving like that. And you want to cover your entire paper lantern like this. You see, there's like a little straggle here. You don't have to cut that off. You can if you want to, but I like to just go with the flow. So I see that one is hanging off. I'm going to extend my glue line and just place that right there. And then I can fill in the gaps. That gives it a more organic feel. You can go from up and down, side to side, until you cover your entire paper lantern. This project does use a good amount of glue, but glue sticks are also inexpensive. Lucky for us. The types of clouds: cumulus, something with an S, another thing with a C. That's why I craft. Let me know in the comments, what are the different types of clouds? Cumulus. And stratus. Yes. What is cirrus? Cirrus is with an S or with a C? C. With a C. So you're right. Aha, see, I remember. I'm telling you. Mrs. Stone, if you're out there, I remember you. That was my 5th grade science teacher. It's all coming back to me. 5th grade science. You want to check out your cloud. Make sure it is looking how you want it to look, whether that's cumulus, stratus, or the other one with a C. Sometimes you want like a larger piece. Put it right there. See, you get like a nice puff. So you want to do like large pieces, smaller pieces, medium size, just to customize your cloud. You can make your cloud as big or as small as you would like. There are paper lanterns in all different types of sizes. So as you're working your way up to the top, you want to make sure you leave the top opening, because this is how we're going to hang our lamp. Now let's add some sunshine to this cloudy day. With this lamp, you can use different lighting options. You can use a corded light fixture, which you can kind of like hook in to the top part of the paper lantern and hang it up. You can use fairy lights like this, and they turn on, and you can just kind of like stick that into the bottom. They turn on and off. Or you can use something like this. This is an LED puck light, and it changes color. And you can use it with a remote control as well. If you're gonna use the cordless situation, a must-have is fishing line. This gives it a beautiful floating effect. Today's weather report: it is cloudy with a 100% chance of crafty awesomeness. Let me know what you think of the cloud craft decor trend. Also, let me know what type of clouds are there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.